Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best liquid glass is probably one of the most versatile and intriguing products on the market today, offering a wide array of applications from protecting your car's paint to sealing countertops and even strengthening fabrics. But with so many different types and brands available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? This video will dive deep into the world of liquid glass, exploring its properties, applications, and helping you determine which product best suits your specific requirements. Number 5. ProofTech Liquid Glass. Say hello to the future of screen protection. It's an invisible shield that strengthens your device's screen, making it incredibly resistant to scratches and impacts. This isn't your average screen protector. It's made of microscopic glass particles suspended in a liquid, creating an incredibly strong, yet thin layer of protection. It fills in tiny imperfections on your screen, adding an extra layer of glass for superior scratch and shatter resistance. It increases the glass strength to 9H hardness level. Application is a breeze. Just wipe it on, no bubbles, no fuss. It's perfect for all types of screens, even curved ones. It works on virtually any device with a screen. Phones, tablets, smartwatches, you name it. It's also 100% compatible with fingerprint sensors. Remember, it adds protection but doesn't repair existing damage. It's for preventing future scratches and cracks, not fixing current ones. What we like. It's compatible with almost any device and incredibly easy to apply. The 9H hardness ensures superior scratch protection. If you need a screen protector for multiple devices and want fuss-free application, this is the one for you. What people say. Used it for our 2 new Apple iPhone 16s. Easy application per the instructions, and works great. I'm quite satisfied, all of the micro scratches are gone and the screen is much smoother and clear. My understanding is that it adheres to the glass to make a strong barrier. Andy kids always drop my phone, and no cracks. It won't smooth out imperfections from a previous crack, it only protects it. Super easy to apply. I also put it on my camera, so that is protected as well. Number 4. ProofTech Liquid Glass. Say hello to ProofTech Liquid Glass, the revolutionary screen protector that's invisible and incredibly durable. It bonds directly to your device's glass, providing superior protection. It's made from microscopic glass particles suspended in a liquid, filling in imperfections and adding an extra layer of strength. This makes it highly resistant to scratches and shattering. This additional layer boosts your screen's hardness to 9H, significantly increasing its resilience. It's the ultimate shield for your precious device's screen. Application is a breeze. Just wipe it on, no bubbles, no fuss. It's perfect for all types of screens, even curved ones. It works on virtually any device with a touchscreen, phones, tablets, smartwatches, even TVs and computer screens. Plus, it's completely compatible with fingerprint sensors. Experience ultimate screen protection without compromising clarity or touch sensitivity. It's the invisible shield that keeps your screen looking and working its best. What we like. This one protects multiple devices with its single bottle. It's also easy to apply and provides great scratch resistance. If you have several devices needing protection and prefer a simple application process, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use, and the product quality is great. I use this on phones and my watch and have not had any issues. I've dropped them both often and have not broken either one. When I used the others I broke my phone screen. Several drops and flops and the screen and screen protector are still intact. Easy to apply. Number 3. Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit. This amazing epoxy resin makes pouring up to 4 inches deep, easy. It's perfect for large projects and creates an incredibly clear finish. It sets rock hard, providing exceptional strength and lasting quality. Your creations will stand the test of time. The low viscosity formula allows bubbles to escape easily, ensuring a flawless, crystal clear result every time. Made with over 60 years of expertise in St. Petersburg, Florida. You can trust in its quality and innovation. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's easy to use and perfect for a wide range of creative projects. It's low odor and VOC free, making it a safe choice for you and the environment. It's also food safe. It's engineered with top-tier UV resistance to prevent yellowing and can withstand heat up to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. It's perfect for large-scale projects, offering amazing depth and clarity. Its exceptional durability ensures your creations last. If you're working on a river table or similar project, this is your ideal choice. What people say. It is like glass when solid. It is moderately thin so bubbles come out easily. The reproduction quality is great and leaves very crisp, sharp edges without any indications of bubbles or anything. The product performed exactly as advertised. Set up nice, crystal clear, some bubbles got caught due to all the hundreds of holes in the wood, but that was to be expected. I just left them, since they were down a ways, and didn't hurt the structural integrity. Number 2. Deep Pore Epoxy Resin Kit. It's incredibly easy to use for pores up to 4 inches deep. Perfect for large projects, it provides unmatched clarity and depth. This resin sets rock hard, giving your creations exceptional strength and lasting quality. It's built to withstand years of use. Its low viscosity allows bubbles to escape easily, ensuring a flawless, crystal clear finish every time. Say goodbye to imperfections. Made with over 60 years of expertise by Fiberglass Coatings Incorporated. You can trust in its quality and innovation. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's easy to use and adaptable to many projects. Its clarity and ease of use are unparalleled. It's low odor and VOC free, making it a safe choice for you and the environment. It's also food grade safe. It's engineered with superior UV resistance to prevent yellowing and can withstand heat up to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This epoxy resin allows for impressive deep pores, resulting in stunning clarity. Its robust durability makes it perfect for long-lasting projects. If you need a large quantity for a substantial project, this is the best option. What people say. The 2 to 4 inch pore makes it so easy to finish even your deeper molds in one pour. This item is great for deep pour bar top and river tables. Easy instructions to follow and easy DIYers. The epoxy takes color tinting terrifically. You may be well surprised at how little color material you need. I would strongly recommend 1/4 teaspoons for 60-ounce epoxy as a start. It's amazing how well the color disperses. Number 1. Deep Pore Epoxy Resin Kit. This innovative resin makes pouring up to 4 inches deep incredibly easy. It's perfect for large projects like river tables, offering unmatched clarity and depth. It sets rock hard, providing exceptional strength and structural integrity. Your creations will last for years without compromising quality. The low viscosity formula allows bubbles to escape easily during curing. You'll get a flawless, crystal clear finish every time. Made with over 60 years of expertise by Fiberglass Coatings Incorporated in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's 100% American-made, ensuring the highest quality. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, it's easy to use and adaptable to various projects. From small details to large castings, it's incredibly versatile. It's food safe, low odor, and VOC free, making it a safer choice for you and the environment. Plus, it's highly resistant to UV and heat, up to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This offers the same deep pour capabilities and exceptional durability as the others. It's bubble-free for a flawless finish. If you need a medium quantity for your project, this is a good balance of size and value. What people say. The pigments held very well, however I did notice the darker pigments fell lower to the bottom of the mold. Bubbles come out super easily with a heat gun. It cures crystal clear with a high gloss finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.